Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project controlling RGB using IR remote. So let us see what the components we require. One Arduino Uno, one breadboard, TSOP IR sensor, RGB LED, 3 1 kilo ohm resistors, some jumper wire and a USB cable. First we will place the RGB on the breadboard. So this is the RGB LED. The longest pin is the ground. The first pin is for the red, then the second is the green, and the last one is for the blue color. Now we will place the TSOP. Now take the 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect it to the pins of the RGB LED. First we will connect the red pin to pin 8 of the Arduino. The green pin to pin 7. And the blue pin to pin 6. Now connect the ground to the negative line of the breadboard. Now connect the TSOP output pin to pin 2 of the Arduino. The VCC pin to 3.3 volt pin of the Arduino. And the ground to the negative line of the breadboard. Now connect the negative line to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our assembly is done. Now we will upload the code. Coding for controlling the RGB LED using IR remote. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. First, we have included the IR remote library, that is irremote.hpp. Then we have created a variable IR receive pin and assigned pin 2 since the TSOP output pin is connected to pin 2. Then we have created variable red, green and blue for the red, green and blue pin of the RGB connected to pin 8, 7 and 6 respectively. Now in the void setup, we have written IR receiver.begin and inside the bracket IR receive pin, which is pin 2, and enable LED feedback. So this will start the receiver. Then we have declared the pins of the RGB as output. Then we have given serial.begin and set the baud rate to 9600. Now in the void loop, we have given if IR receive.decode, this will decode the received data, and then serial println IR receive.decode IR data dot decode raw data comma hexa. So this will display the decoded data which is in hexagonal form. Now we have written IR receive.resume. This will enable the IR sensor to receive the next value. Now we are giving some if condition that if IR receive.decode IR data.decode raw data is equal to the hexagonal value 0 into F50A7580, which is the hexagonal value of the button 1 in the remote. So when we press the button 1, it will receive the the value in the hexagonal form in 0 into F50A7580, and the red LED will glow and the other will turn off. Similarly, we have given the if condition that if the button 2 is pressed, then the green LED will glow and the other will turn off. And if the button 3 is pressed, then the blue LED will glow and the other will turn off. And lastly, if the power button is pressed, then the RGB will turn off. So this is the code. Now click on tools, select the board as Arduino Uno, the required COM port, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino. output of control RGB LED using IR remote. So here When we will press the buttons of this remote, our RGB will turn on. So when I press 1, the red color is showing. When I press 2, the green color is showing. When I press 3, the blue color is showing. And when I press the red button, it turns off. Thank you.